temperature sensor. Project guide step by step.
Prepare worker place dot and their components. Then connect Arduino. Very well. Connect temperature.sensor (DHT) to PCB. Please, you have to connect very well. Then after connect LCD to the PCB. You have to connect it very well. Without any mistakes of bad connection, then start to connect each components with jumper wires. Connect GPIO 21 to SDA pins very well. Connect also GPIO 22 to SCL pins. Please connect very well, thumbs up sign. Connect VIN to VCC pins of Arduino. Connect also GND of LCD.TO GND of Arduino. Connect GPIO 18 of sensor to output of Arduino. Connect each pin very well, thumbs up sign. Connect GND of sensor to GND of LCD. Please connect those grounds very well. Connect 3v3 to plus of Arduino. Look if it is connected very well, thumbs up sign. Double check white heavy check mark and check again hugging face. Connect Arduino USB 4, upload in your codes. Programming code used to control Arduino IDE, temperature or humidity sensor, and LCD. You have to use as integrated development environment, IDE, software, then check if this error. As we have seen, our project is well done, white heavy check mark, thumbs up sign. DHT sensor is detecting the temperature, the analog and sending the output digital to the LCD.